editor and director Shankhanaad News Channel. Shankhanaad News Channel is basically a local TV channel in Vidarbha region. We are also a YouTube channel and portal. I came from a small town, Ballarpur, from Chandrapur district. Regarding my family, my better half is Sunil Kuhikar. She is BA BPEd. My educational qualification is BSc, MBA, additional BA and BMC, that is Bachelor of Mass Communication. We are blessed with a son, Kshitij. He is an engineer. In partnership, he runs 2 restaurants here at Nagpur. My hobbies: reading books, listening music, traveling, etc. My birthplace is Chaibasa, from then Bihar and now Jharkhand. I'm interested in social activities and interested in political activities also. Regarding my news channel, so my passion in journalism was started in when I was studying in BSc second year. At that time, I became a Taluka representative of a renowned Marathi daily, Tarun Bharat, at Ballarpur. After completion of my post-graduation, that is MBA, I devoted my complete 2 years of life for one social organization. I worked at Akola for that organization. Then I again came back in the field of journalism. I became a district representative of Tarun Bharat at Chandrapur. I worked there for near about 13 years. The then management of the company brought me here at Nagpur. Then I worked for Nagpur district, rural area of Nagpur district. Then I was sent to Mumbai. So as a journalist, I worked at Mumbai for 4 years. Then I again came back to Nagpur, became executive editor of Tarun Bharat. Then being an MBA candidate, I was asked to work for management instead of editorial department. I was shifted to management area. So I became CEO of the company. In between, I also worked as a managing director of Tarun Bharat for near about 1 year. Then again became CEO. In 2020, I left Tarun Bharat and started my own TV channel in partnership. In between, again for a period of 1 year, I also worked as a general manager in Sian Agro Industries Limited at Nagpur. Since last 4 years, I am connected with Shankhanaad News Channel. As I told you before, it is a local TV channel being telecast on GTPL network. Apart, we are also a YouTube channel, portal. So, preparing, basically it is a news channel. So, we are more emphasis is given on news. We publish, we telecast news of all of the events, programs happening in surrounding area. Recently, we also started Hindi edition of news bulletins. In future, we are going to start English bulletins also. As I told you, apart from publishing news, apart from telecasting news, we are also one of the best platform for publishing the advertisement of your products, ideas, services. Nowadays, approach toward advertising the product has completely changed. People don't want direct advertising. They do prefer indirect advertising. Like if you, instead of direct telecasting your advertisement, if you go through interviews, podcast, or some kind of documentaries, stories, So people also like to receive the message from such kind of stories. So we are also accepting this change in the society, and recently we have also started advertisement through interviews, podcast, stories, etc. So all of the people who are doing business, maybe trading or creating their ideas, if they are implementing it themselves or through other people. So products, ideas, if you are a service provider, then we are ready to conduct your interviews at our, we have very good small studio at our office. So all of the people who want to advertise their products, ideas, services, tradings, etc. So maybe a direct advertisement or indirect advertisement, we are ready to accept whatever the way you want to go, and we are here to help you to create your own YouTube channel, run it. We run YouTube channel for near about 3 institutes. They are basically their news channel, but we created it and we run it on daily basis. Regarding my social and club organization, I'm connected with Lions Club, Syscon Edu Smart Foundation, also Maitri Parivar Samstha, one hostel for students is run by Maitri Parivar Samstha, and I'm one of the committee member of that Maitri Parivar Samstha. Big media house is my goal in life. It will definitely a big media house, I hope. Our major clients are Bhosla Military School, Cummins College, Radhakrishna Hospital, BJP Maharashtra, state Maharashtra State BJP. We have worked for it, and in future we are expecting many more people to connect with us. We would also like to get connected with many people. In my personal life, I wrote 3 books till now: Parisparsha, Venuputra, and Kala Korshachi Kali Kahani. These are 3 books I have wrote till date. 4th book is in process. So this is a small story. Shankhanaad news channel. So I once again request all of you to get connected with me personally and also Shankhanaad news channel. Thank you very much for listening.